Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to USDC video update for Wednesday 12th of October. Now unfortunately we were rallying to the upside yesterday, and if I dive into the daily, the last time that I uploaded about Luna Classic was that this was your particular resistance and you've actually failed. And not only did you fail it here, not only did you fail it second time right there, but unfortunately for the third time as well, you've come up to that resistance and got rejected one more time. Okay, so it's not a very good sign at the moment, but if you end up breaking out of that resistance, which I probably expect you're going to do it somewhere down in the road in the future, then we're talking about the next technical target, which is going to be from there to there. We might be looking for 0.14. I mean 14 cents is right on the cards. If you break out of it, back test 0.06 and then you ride it all the way to up to that particular price level. Now this is my technical target, okay, back to $1 somewhere. I don't know when, maybe next year, maybe this year, maybe after 2 years, I don't know when, but I'm in here for a little bit of a long term until we don't go back to $1. I do expect USDC to go to $1 somehow, but I'm going to tell you the story of what happened yesterday. Now we had this sudden pump to the upside, and the only reason is because there was a lot of accumulation down here. This is not a bearish pattern, but that's more like an accumulation, and broke to the upside, which was pretty amazing to see. Now you went in Elliott wave theory, so this was number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you had that A, B, and then this deeper C correction right over there. Okay, now what you do is you take the fib retracement, and let's try to see where you're exactly going to come down and retrace to. So from the bottom to the top right there, I do expect to see maybe down, this 0.03903. This is where you could actually come down to back test the golden ratio. So if you do come down to the golden ratio, that's where you might end up. Two levels that you can back test. Okay, so one is going to be the 0.5 and the second one is going to be 0.618, because right now you're putting a huge evening star right over there on the 4-hour time frame. So be a little bit careful. The C wave can actually be deeper down to 0.039, and if you start, this could actually be just one more entry opportunity right there, and if you start to lose it, then you're looking for 0.034 and back down to 2.8. So let's see. But if you want to actually have an amazing trade, like 100% move up, then I will suggest that wait for this resistance to be broken out of and back tested, and somewhere here you can actually make an amazing entry all the way up to 0.014, and that can actually be an amazing price increase from there to there. We're talking about nearly 120-30% move to the upside, instead of just trading out of middle of nowhere, because that's your pattern, and right here you don't have any patterns at all. Now I'm a long-term investor, and my buyings are way back in June where we were down here. Okay, I actually entered with a less amount of money, and from here to here do have a lot of price increase, by the way. I'm already up 595 at the moment %, but the reason why I'm telling you is because now this looks amazing for a long term, but if you're looking for those day trade and stuff like that, I will suggest that a breakout of here, backtest this level, boom, retest, move higher. And that's pretty much it for this USDC update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.